Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your PrimeXBT application using your smartphone or your tablets. Logging out of PrimeXBT is super important if you want to protect your account, switch users, or use another device safely. First of all, launch open the PrimeXBT app on your device and make sure that you are inside the home page. Once you are in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. From your personal detail or the profile page, scroll all the way down until you find the Logout button. As soon as you find it, tap on Logout. Click on Yes in the pop-up to log out of your PrimeXBT application quickly and easily. So that's how you successfully log out of PrimeXBT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.